Hey guys, Will Beach here with Great Trades. Just want to go over a couple things with you today. I'm on Tellurian, that's Tellurian, Tellurian Inc. It's a natural gas company. It's the one I've been watching for a couple of days, actually up to 5 days. I shot a video before on it, and I just want to show you how I got my entry point so early on. For everyone growing their accounts, this is a strategy that I use because I still grow my account. Um, maybe one day I'll get to day trading. I like this strategy a little bit better. It is swings trading momentum, and the reason why is because you don't have to worry about the PDT rules. Plus, it gives you a little more confidence, I think, than jumping in on day trades. So I'm going to show you. It was 5 days ago that I got my entry, and I did it basically with an hourly chart, and it would have brought us back to about this point right here. So how did I find this? Well, I found this because of a scanner that I have set up. I check it during the day on an hourly chart. So you can see I have the 1 hour chart set up here. And my scanner will find me this mark. And then I also check my scanners at the end of the day, and that is for the daily chart, so I can find even a little more confirmation in daily chart setups to swing as well. And the reason why I do this again is because I don't day trade. I have an account that's under 25,000, but this is how I grow my account. This is what I find works, and this is how I continue to be consistent with my trades. Now, it does require patience. If you have a small account and you're trying to get in and out, most bang for your buck, you're going to have a tough time. That's just not how this game works. Yes, you can get lucky every now and then, but consistently big gains on small accounts over and over and over without being a day trader, it's difficult. Can you find those 3 day trades every week that you have allotted to you? Uh, yes. Would you be profitable on all three? Probably not. And if you are, it's probably not the gains you're looking for. So, here's my entry. The one thing I haven't done is given you guys my exact scanner setup. It might happen eventually, but there's a reason for it. Obviously, every strategy has a level of overflow, and when it gets to that point, it's no longer a good strategy. Got a cat that just jumped up behind me. You can see here. Sorry about that. But basically, Tim Sykes talks about it in his videos and his book, where basically he started giving his strategy away, and it became a strategy that got flooded. Um, so what I have done is in the past, if you go on my YouTube channel, I've gone into how to create your own scanner and basically what you're doing to identify where you're looking for an entry. You can watch that video. It should be pretty helpful to most of you if you've already established a chart setup that you like. As you can see, my chart setup, I have quite a bit going on. I have 4 main bottom technicals that I use: ADXR, MACD, Momentum, and Stochastic. Uh, and it's taken a lot of time to hone in on a chart scanner that fits this build. Um, I think that's where a lot of people get confused. I can go and pull up a scanner on a pre-market search. All right, actually, here's a good example. You see all these? I have 2 full sections of scanners that I've created that are all basically trial and error till I find the one I want. It took a lot of time to get to this point, and that's it. So here is an example of a pre-market scanner that's still valid currently right now in the after hours, but it brought up 424 things. Now you can go to volume and sort them out by what's going on volume. You can go by last to see what's what's last here, as far as the last price, go by smallest to biggest, whatever your strategy is, but it's 424. This setup only tells me things that are moving. It's not set up for my specific chart. So in order for me to go into these and see if I like it, I literally have to go into each, and well, I mean, I have to do that anyways, but now I have to scan for different things, because what is this telling me? Most likely it's not the setup I want. It's just telling me what's moving. So this type of setup, I think most of you are using for your scanners, but it's not really giving you any information that's useful to you. Excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. So what does that mean? It means you guys are jumping in and out of these trades, but you really don't even know what you're looking at. I mean, this is 1 hour time, but that scanner was set up on a 5 minute time, so you can see up in the after hours. But overall, what is this even doing? Who knows? Just going down and down and down. And actually, its day was down 3 cents, and you could see that here. So just because that 5 minute scanner showed me that it's up slightly in the after hours is not any type of signal to buy. So anyways, I just want to go over that. Basically, you need to get yourself a setup that matches your trading strategy. If you follow my videos, then you can eventually develop my strategy. That's why I built uh, the videos, study videos that help with the breakdown of the chart. However, as far as my actual scanner I use, I have not given that away. So how did I find tell, and what does this look like? This is the daily chart, and as you can see, it's just now started to bump up, and it's hit 118, and there's no other resistance above it until about 214. This stock has dramatically fallen just like the rest, so what we're now looking for is the overreaction and the bump back up. This is the first move that actually held. It's been trying to test these over the last couple of days, and I found it 5 days ago. 5 days ago on my 1 hour scanner. Again, that was right in this range right here. And what does that mean though? If I would have found it here, I could have sold that same day for like 3 or 4 cents of profit. With a lot of shares, if you have a big account, that's what day trading is about. You can get away with that and be happy. But this right here is hold after hold after hold after scare tactic on the pre or after hours drop just to recover, to start the day out pretty big. Nice little run up here. Could have sold again at any point here for a few more cents, just to lose all those gains by the end of the day. To do it again pre-market up to 118, just to lose all those gains throughout the day. And then here we are with a nice run up, solid run up, leading into your 4 hour chart, which is confirming it's gaining momentum, which you can see here as it increases and increases. Nice solid curve going into your daily chart, which is starting to show that little pop there with plenty of room to run on stochastic. And if you watched my prior video, you know that when we get this crossover, this is actually saying yes, you can enter consolidation after this big old drop. So this crossover is actually a good sign, as far as it allows the reversal to start happening. Usually when that happens, sorry, I thought I had that off. My wife's out there with the kids. Usually when that happens, it wants to retest this 50-day line. So potentially we have a huge run up that can occur from this stock. At the very least, I'm looking for somewhere between 150 and 214. At the very most, I'm going to look for this rejection up here at the 50, which is in the $3 right now. Every day that goes by, obviously this is going to get shorter and shorter. So it could be 3, it could be 2, and this could be a week down the road, 2 weeks down the road. But again, we're getting closer and closer to this build-up and this pop. So that's what I'm looking for. Plenty of room on the RSI for all of you who like the RSI. But here we are. I just wanted to go over this chart with you, how I found it. found it on a scanner. I found it 5 days ago, and you can see it just held in tight consolidation for those 5 days. And now we're finally held gains, is what I'm getting at today. Is we finally kept the gains that it was uh, trying to get pre-market previously. So, with that being said, keep studying, guys. This is what it's about. It's about having a strategy and just constantly honing in on that strategy, sticking with it, keeping the patience, but not falling in love. I say it all the time with these penny stocks that once they do blow up, they usually offer a share offering that just demolishes all those gains. So once I see the right move that I'm looking for, a big pop, maybe in the $2 range, that's what I'm going to say, okay, that's good, got to get out of here, because it would not surprise me if they had to put out an offering to get some cash flow going. So that's it for today, guys. Just wanted to go over that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It does help me out, not for revenue purposes, but for the visual aspect of YouTube and getting out there and helping as many young traders as I can. This is the type of channel that if you are trading with these small accounts, $100, 200, 500,000, whatever the case may be, these are the type of videos that can help you grow that account. Keep studying, keep building your confidence with chart analysis. It does tell a big story as far as the picture of trading goes, and then of course any fundamentals, news and catalyst earnings that can help confirm your technicals. That's just a bonus. Many people only rely on volume. I rely on just the setup, and I believe that once the setup is confirmed, the volume will follow, and it does hold true for most of my trades. Some of my past trades over the last week: THMO, this one, GLBS, CCO, CTRM, and GRPN. So those are all over the last 10 days or so trades that I found. They are all penny stocks. They're all trading under $1, except for THMO. That's the only one that's trading more. And with that being said, that's the type of setup that can help small accounts grow. But you have to be consistent, you have to be dedicated, and you cannot get emotional and just be a bag holder and hold them over and over and over. Never recommend going all in with your account, but if you're willing to lose it, then go for it. It's kind of the learning curve sometimes. I've gone through it. A lot of the big name traders have gone through it. That's how we've gotten to the point of consistency that we've gotten to. Anyways, happy to have you guys watch this video, and look forward to making more videos for you guys. Thank you.